Sports on Air.
Press conference, we are joined by the best player of the game, Bong Quinto, and winning head coach Luigi Trillo. Bong, maraming hero sa larong ito. Pero yung mga binitawan mong shots, lalo na nung third overtime, pinakita mo yung desire mo na huwag sumuko. Ano masasabi mo sa panalo ninyo?
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon sa strength na binigay niya sa team namin. And yun, shoutout sa trainer namin, kay Coach Diego. Kasi di namin kakayanin yung tatlong overtime, kundi dahil sa mga training na binibigay niya sa amin. So yun, sa unang pa lang kung para sa kanila talaga hindi na shoot yung tira nino diba? So I feel lang na binibigay talaga ni Lord sa amin basta pagtrabahuan lang namin yung panalo.
Coach, nasa inyo ang momentum coming into Sunday's do or die. Pero how will the team prepare physically and mentally, lalo na kakagaling nyo lang sa exhausting na third overtime?
Yeah, first of all, wala pa kaming ginagawa. Then like Bong said, thank you kay Lord, but it's just one game, diba? So, kahit anong ginawa namin, Phoenix, very resilient team. You can see madami sila mga bata doon na marunong play physical, right? You have Taffin, you have Mocon, you have Perkins. Import's pretty good. I just don't know how we did that at least 3 overtimes. So si Bong nga, 44 minutes. But he said a lot of heroes in this game. Nu hit that big shot. We had 6 guys in double figures. So I mean, whatever it takes, whatever it takes. I think right now we've been in this situation before. I think na we have to keep that momentum going. A lot of respect sa Phoenix. We were down 11 points, mga 15. So we know it's gonna be a battle, and with them you cannot rest.
Coach, your team never gave up. What impressed you the most sa mentality ng players?
Yeah, just, sometimes you have to find ways At na-injure si Cliff, di ba? So si Bong was comfortable at the 3. Kailangan niya mag-4. We had to play small, but he's sanay playing that. And that run, 1, 2, 3, 4 nilalaro nito. They're a different team. Phoenix doesn't have quit in them. I have the highest respect for Coach Jamaic. What he's done a lot with that group. Madami siya mga bago. They believe in what they're doing. And, this is what you want. I mean, if I could get a game, I want to play it now. Let's go now. If you could play now. I don't want to wait 2 days. Buo yung load namin. We're excited. You want to play in this type of games. I'm sure these guys want to. If we could get it now, play it tomorrow. Hugas lahat na natin.
We are now opening the floor if the media has any questions.
Coach, congrats on Coach, in 2 games against Phoenix, kayo lagi yung nag-ahabol. This time you got the job done. You're able to get a win. For Sunday's game, you address that na kahit paano, kahit set the tempo or
Ang laki ng respeto ko sa koponan ng Phoenix. If you see them, the way they play, they defeated a lot of teams. Madami na sila na upset, right? And they're not anymore, you look at them, they reached second place for a reason, diba? And you can say, magaling si Coach Jamaic, si Perkins is healthy, madami silang materyales. Sa amin lang, I don't know, every time we face them, you have to give them respect. Tinatambakan kami ng teams, diba? So obviously, we have a lot to improve on in terms of that. Nakita ko medyo gigil lang kami ng start, but eventually they settled in, and you have to make these guys play. Sila naglalaro sa loob. It's gonna come down again to that. Aggressive team's gonna win. Sa akin, looking at it, we have an opportunity here to make the semis. We deserve to be there too. So it's not, for me, I know it's not gonna be easy. Balik kami sa drawing board, pag-usapan namin sa staff and get these guys ready in 2 days.
Coach, over the past few years, you've been in this position of number 5. You've beaten, I think, in everyone's game over those times. So, medyo comfortable ka ba even with it being at number 5 because it has happened before?
No naman, we look at it one game at a time. I think that's the way you have to look at it. Siyempre, nung natalo namin yung Nebra best of 3 yun, and we had to lose one. And it came down to a last shot by Raymond Almazan, right? Yung San Miguel, just, seeing, I think that was also something good, but sa totoo lang, wala si Umar, wala si Ross, wala yung mga big stars sila. Although we did that, right? This is a different Phoenix team, they're complete. And the thing, yung nakikita ko sa Phoenix, kahit kulang ang pyesa nila, they have a solid 7 guys, 6 guys, but they play as a team. And I think today, nagkamuyan na yung players ko, lumaban sila. And, we have to talk to Sean also, keep his cool a little bit. He needs to go zone in and those things, but you're right, this is what you want. Triple overtime, both teams going at it, high quality game. Let's bring it. We're ready for it. We want to get it ready. Kung kaya, bukas ilaro na namin. We just have also, I'm looking at it, guys have to step up. Cliff Hodge is hurt, next guy in.
Sabi nila, bukas. Ikaw na lang ba?
What's impressive the 3-point shot? Kung ESL, nagawa niya 4-point play this time, the conference on the line. What happened there?
Di kaya ng bola. That shot wouldn't have entered if Aaron did not give that shot. I don't think Bong would have had the game yet if they didn't trust him. Nakita namin yung mismatch. Nagbigay si Nu at sila Elaine kay Bong. Right? And Bong has a lot, I believe in BQ. I mean, he's got a lot in his game. Buwan look sa kanya. We saw the mismatch, we attacked it. So, may mga points of attack kami sa game. Yung nakikita ko lang sa game na to, sa start, first half, medyo nagkakanya-kanya. Diba? Second half, I thought that Nu had that shot, but it was because AB gave him that shot. So, same thing like that. Also, Bong got exposed because of the guy.
Bong, nung OT nga doon, kumbaga doon nagkaroon ng post-carry natin si Cliff So medyo nga ni Coach na, since halos pares kaya sa position na you had to play more in his position. Paano mo tinake yung challenge and you had to do it for 2 more periods. So double overtime, 3 overtime na wala si Cliff.
Yun nga, kahit sabi ni Coach, di ba nung college naglalaro 4. At the same time, sa kabilang team sa Phoenix, nandun si Mokon, which is naglalaro din siya ng 4. So since college pa lang, sabi ko nga sa kanya kanina na tayo na nang magkalaban. So siguro yung challenge lang na ready ka talaga, sa practice pa lang dapat. Isipin mo na pwedeng mangyari yung mga ganong sitwasyon. So yun, kaya sabi ni Coach Luigi, binigay niya ako ng opportunity kasi marami naman kami mga bigs na pwede maglaro pero ako yung pinili niya na maglaro para sa 4. So yun, ang gusto ko lang talaga is makita ko sa team na kaya namin manalo sa ganong sitwasyon.
Coach, anong ba nangyari kay Cliff? Meron ba nakita mo something serious from that?
Hindi naman, parang incidental na parang accidental. Kung tumalon, I think nahulog siya and I think napakan niya yung isang padon, but it's part of the game. We have to be ready. With or without Cliff Hodge, it's gonna be a hard game. We're ready, it's quality basketball. Ito yung PBA, both 2 good teams. We're gonna duke it out and I'm just saying, if Cliff can't go, we have other guys. I have faith in Kyle and Raymond and those other guys too. So, we're ready.
That concludes the post-game.
Habang mainit ang mga laman sa ating mga paboritong liga, mag-register sa 1xBet. Pwede nyo gamitin ang inyong browser or ang cellphone, mapa-Android man o iOS. Gamitin lang ang inyong mobile number at huwag kalimutan ilagay sa promo code ang 1x on air. Kapag ginawa nyo yan, pwede kayong magkaroon ng bonus up to 7,000 pesos. Pwede nyo gamitin ang GCash account nyo para makapag-deposit or mag-cash out. Simple lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na sa 1xBet. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.